When I'm gardening, every plant has a unique individual need, and I look at that as the same as working with my clients. Every single one is different in some way, and everybody needs individual care or attention or a response their way, and that's key. There is no one script fits all. I will treat everybody as unique individuals, and I'm going to find out where the best place for you to plant roots and grow memories is. Hi, I'm Kate Maryon, and I work for Keller Williams Rivertown. I've been in real estate since 1995 in some capacity, either in property management. I have bought and sold property in 4 different countries, and I've been licensed in 2 different countries. Real estate is something near and dear to my heart because my home definitely is my sanctuary. Having moved so many times to so many different countries as an Army wife, I realized that your home truly is your sanctuary. It is your palace. It might sound corny, but it's where we go for refuge. It's where we can be ourselves and where we welcome family and guests into our home. I am going to listen to you. I am going to respond to you exactly how you need to be responded to, and I am going to make it exactly as easy as possible. I want this to be a memorable memory. I don't look at people as a one-time transaction. I want to be a realtor for life. So even if you have family and friends, I want to be able to help them move. I think the fact that I get what you're going through, and I really care about the fact that this is not easy. When someone says that buying real estate or moving isn't emotional, I would argue it's very emotional. I know from my own experience how emotional it was. When I moved here and left my 3 girls in another country, that was not easy. And so if I can take that away for you or make it easier, I will. My phone is basically my office these days. Smartphones are amazing, and mine is on from usually 6 in the morning till anywhere after 10 at night. And if it's an important call, I'm gonna take it. And usually every call to me is important. So give me a call. You can reach me at 616-550-6816 or email at hamiltonandbeyond@gmail.com.